Okay guys, welcome back. This is Jimdel. I'm back for another tutorial. I did a complete review of rating system in PHP with MySQL database. At this time, this is an advanced rating system in PHP with MySQL database. This one, I added one more feature to it. The other one, you just click on write review and you add your review and then you rate how many stars you want, you add it, and then you're done. And this is where you can sort by newest, oldest, high to low, low to high, and so on. And you got different pages: page 1, page 2, page 3, and so on. But for this one, for the advanced rating system in PHP, I add one more feature. As I said before, I will show you right now. This is what I'm going to. This is what we are going. Let me say we are going to do, because I'm going to share this this with you. But what I want to say first, I want you guys, as you're watching right now, if you do not subscribe yet to my channel, please do that. I really appreciate it if you do that. Also, if you take the link, copy the link or the title Jimdel-Edu, share those with your friend, with people who are interested, with everybody. That will be, I will be really appreciate that from you. Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay. Let's do it. All right. This one now, I got 4.6 stars. As you can see, I have on this one, I have 17 reviews, 17 reviews. Okay. On the first page, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As I create this code to each page should get 5 reviews from 5 different customers. Okay. And on page 2, you will see 5, page 3, page 4, and so on. Okay. The list goes on. Now, if I want, remember I told you I add one more feature. Let me show you that feature. In this one, you can display or you can upload the image. Okay? If you buy something and it's good or bad, you can show you can show it online. You can show it to other, so that other customer can see it, or other buyer person, if you want. Okay, when you click on, let me refresh this. Okay, when you click on write review, this is what you see. Okay, they ask you to enter your name. Okay, let me put my name. What if I put my name? I put admin. Okay, and I rate this one 5 stars. Okay, what if I buy something, or I bought something? And then I want to add a rating or review. Let me say, this is a great fan. Okay, I highly this is a recommended for I highly recommend it. Okay, this is my my message, review, and this is my name, admin. And then now they ask me to upload image here. Choose images. Okay, using the inbox, doing the input inbox below. This 500. This is 500,000. This is the size of the picture. Now I click on browse, and I go to my picture. Okay. Look, where is yeah. I go to pictures, okay, and I click. This is the fan that you know you bought one and it's good. You highly recommend it for everybody. Okay, I click on this one and I click on open. This is my name, rating. Okay, this is my message. This is my picture. I click on submit review. Okay, remember the first. You will always see 5 reviews on the first page. Okay. And now we got page. Okay, this is where you can oldest, high, newest, high to low, or low to high. This one apply only for the first page. Okay, as you can see now, it's updated right here. You can see now we have, remember before we had 17 reviews, now we have 18 reviews because I add one more. Okay, this is on page, it's not on page 1. Okay, this is a new way. On page 2, click on next for page 2. Page 2, this is what, okay, this is the the guy named Paul, and then he bought this one and it's great, and then show the picture. And then on page 2, when you click on page 2, this is another person called Thomas, and it's a great code, but show this one. And Jimdel is me. I said this is a good content. Okay, this is a laptop. Now when I click on page 3, okay, on page 3 I don't see it yet. Okay. Okay, remember I add my name as admin. Let me refresh the page because I don't find it. Okay, I don't find it. Maybe maybe it is the picture, the proper picture size. Let me double that. Then I'm going to double check. Or what I can do, I'm going to clear this. Clear the browser. I have to go to. Oh, come on! For this one. Oh, no, this is not option. I have to go to. Let me see. Customer open file, but I have to go to more. No, this is not more. Okay, yeah, this is Firefox. Yeah, Firefox. You have to go to library for Firefox to clear cache. Go to browser history. Yeah, you go to library, click on history, and this is everything. And then you click on clear recent history. Yes, that's for today, and then click OK, and this refresh the browser. Okay, now, and I've 18. This is admin, but there is no picture. As you can see, guys, the size maybe it won't allowed me. Let me go back again because I want you to see different name at this time. I'll just put Jimdel and put Edu 5 stars or anything you want. Okay, 5. That's it. Okay, and put the same. I'm going to add the same message. Okay, copy this one. I want to rewrite it again and paste it here. Now, no, different message because I want. Okay, let me choose pictures. Okay, go to pictures. Maybe this one is not working. This is a properties. Let me show you. This is a PNG. Yeah, this is a PNG file. I don't know why. Okay, the size probably too big. Okay, let me pick this one, guys. The camera. Okay, let me take the camera and click on open. This is the camera. Now I can change this. This is a good camera. Highly recommend it. This is my name, rating, and this is my message. Click on this is my the picture, and I click on submit. Okay, now I got 18. I have to check to see if I got more. Okay, as you can see, now I got 19 reviews. Okay, those, and this is go to page. This is page 1. Click on page 2, and next page 3. Okay, now page 4. I don't see it. Oh, this is my name and message, no picture. I don't know what's wrong. Took all this because I have to. Let me go to library because I have to clear. Okay, last 2 hours. Okay, and use different, copy the link, use different one, and paste this one here. Okay, now also I'm going okay, I have to choose different pictures now to see what's going on. Close this one. Okay, now review different name. Okay, different name. Then you, okay, this is the, I put different name. Brown. Put this guy, put 4. At this time I'm going to pick okay, I'm going to see, this is this bag is good, comma, but okay, this bag is good, comma, but, and okay, period, and then choose the pick. I'll go to pictures, choose this bag. I already have this bag. Okay, let me change it to Apple. Okay, open, click on open. Okay, not bag at this time. This iPad is good, but, and then click on submit review, and you go, yes, this is it. Okay guys, as you can see, oh no, this is not, okay, this is Daniel Brown. Yes, okay, this is Daniel Brown. Yeah, this iPad is good, comma, but, yes, as you can see, this is a JPG. This is the for this iPad. Now I got 20 reviews. As you can see, I got 20 reviews, guys, and I found this one on page 2. If I go on page 3, this is page 3. I got all the different pictures, but not only I add one picture, guys. As you can see, you see the pictures, and there's another thing I'm going to show you right now. Okay, this is page 4. Okay, this is the last page, page 4. Okay, go to the preview. This is page 3, page 2, and page 1. Okay, I found it on page 2. Okay, this is the, you can go here. Okay, this is the oldest, high to low, low to high, as you can see. For this is the newest. Okay, what I'm going to show you guys, when the customer or the person uploads the image, you as another customer, you want to see, not only you see the message, okay, you say this iPad is good, comma, but okay, and you see 4 stars, but you want to see the picture, a bigger picture. Now what you want to do, you have to click on it. This is the option. This is another option. You have to click on it. When you click on it, you will see the picture. The picture becomes bigger. Okay, when you click on it, this is it, guys. This is the option. Okay, when you click on it, this is another feature. When you click on it, this is what you get. All right, I don't know what you guys think about this. If you got anything, let me know, okay, in the comment box below. Put it there. All right, and I will give you an answer for that. You'll find an answer. Okay guys, now let me show you. For this one, the guy named Paul, it's a grid, and then when you click on this, okay, this is it. And for Thomas, it's a grid code. Okay, when you click on this one, see how big it is. Now you can see everything. And the last one, last but not least, this is a grid content. When you click on this one for the iPad, as you can see. Okay guys, all right, this is great. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please do that. Please, I would really appreciate it from you guys. Thank you. Okay, now this is what we are going to do. All right, And let me start coding. Okay, let's start it, guys. This is a main folder. I call my main folder rating system. Okay, that 2 words. Okay, rating system. All right, and rating system. The first file I'm going to create here, I do a click on it, the main folder. I click on the main folder, and I do a right click, and I click on new file. I already got a new one here. Okay, on title. I can okay, do this for you, and I can save this one. I click on file, save as. Okay, I'm going to call this one index.html. Okay, and click on save. This is the main file, this is the main folder. Okay, and I click on save. Now this is it, guys, as you can see, in index.html. Okay, let's go, guys. Say HTML. Okay, I said HTML, and the title you can put, I put rating system. Okay, inside of the header I create the first link. Okay, and I call it style. That's CSS. Okay, I create a second link. And I call it reviews, or I call it reviews or rating, if you want, guys. Reviews, rating, pretty much the same thing. I call it reviews.css. Okay, now I'm done for this part. Inside of the body, I say nav. Okay, and inside of this nav, quickly I create a class. I call it nav top, and I pass a style. Okay, with a background color, call it this is 25. Okay, 25 41 17. Semicolon. And let's continue. And inside of this nav, guys, I create a div, and inside of this div, header 1 h1. Okay, and inside of the first one, I pass a style with a font size. Maybe we don't need it, but I'm doing it with a font size of 40 pixels, and add a color of 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and now I'm going to add the title. I call it advanced rating system in PHP. Put with my SQL database. Okay, now this is where the header one is done. Okay, we can go. We don't need this. Okay, let's say localhost, and our main folder called rating the system. Let me check it again. Yes, rating system. Okay. Oh, yes, we have to save it. We have to save it, save all, and go back and refresh the page, as you can see, guys. Okay. Rating system. Okay, advanced. As you can see, this is the title. Okay, now this is done. Okay, this div and this nav. Okay, after this nav, I can create a okay, space. See, and I'm created a div again. Okay, and inside of the first one, I pass a class called content home. When I'm done, inside of, okay, I'm continue. Header 2, H2, I just add, I can add rating to, just put it, guys, your website. You don't have to do it, but I do it. I put a phrase here as a for P. Also, I can say check out the below. Can put ratings or review, guys. Okay. Okay, and then after that, I create a div. Okay. Just to understand it, like, okay, let me put a space here. I create a div, and inside of the first one, okay, as you can see, inside of the first one, I create a class called reviews. And after this div, I create a script. Okay. I put source as source. Okay, this is source. I call it reviews.js. And now I can create here. I can copy this one and create a file. Click on main file, say, and then save this one as save as. And I paste this one here, reviews.js. Oh, that put JS. Put JS here. Okay, yes. And save this one. Okay. And after that, guys, I go down space. I create another script. At this time. Okay. Bring this down. And inside of this script, I'm going to say new, okay? New reviews. Okay, follow me. All right. And for the first page, this script is for the first page, okay? For the first main page. And I said page ID. I create a page ID, 1, comma, next line, and this is where I said review underscore per page. That's the review per page. I say review per underscore again. This is a pagination underscore page. Each page should get 5 reviews. 5, comma. And for the current page, for page 1, I said current underscore page. Okay, should be 1. That's for page 1. Okay. Now this is where I put the semicolon here. Okay, this one is done. Index that it save everything, save all. Okay, can go back, refresh the page. Okay, as you can see, we got a result. Now, the second thing I want to do is to create style.css. A style.css. You copy this, click on here, new file, save as, and you paste it here, style.css, and save. Okay. For style.css, we need to create give the form. Okay, here. All right. Now, let's go back. First thing I do. Oops. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Now I said box, size in. Okay. And next I say font family. Font family. Apple system. Okay. This blank mark system. This is C. Font. Comma. Double quote. Space. Oui. Comma. Okay. And I say Wobo. No. I need some space. Comma. Oxygen. Comma. U. This is U12. U12, comma. This is okay. Really avec with I guess. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys. Let's go. This is for the font. Okay. Oh no, this is and you can go to okay space double quote. Also, I'm going to say sense. Okay. Comma double quote. This is droid sense. Comma space double quote. Okay. Okay. Comma space. Okay. This comma. Okay, guys. Now for the font. Okay, this is okay. Now this is done. Go to next line. Now let's do font size. Font size 16 pixel. I'm going to create our own WebKit font. WebKit font and smoothie. Okay. OSX. This is a font for okay. Now this is done. Space. Now for the body, guys. As a body, create a background color. This is a background color. Call it. Can it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Create a margin. Margin 0. Now save everything. If I go back to index.html, the first class, this is a nav top. I'm going to work with. Okay. Also, okay, this is where I said that. This is as a class. I said that. Okay. Space. Nav top. And create a background. Create a background color. We can copy this one. Okay. We can copy this one and and paste it here. Say 3F69 8. Okay. Also, I'm going to say for the height, 60 pixel. For the width, I'm going to say 100%. Also for the border, okay, the border should be 0. And then you save everything. Let's go back and refresh the page to see what's going on. Yeah, as you can see, fill this one. Okay. Let's continue, guys. The second one we have remember we have nav top and we have div. Nav top div. Okay. You can copy this one and paste it and put div. Okay, nav top div. You said display. This one I display flex. Create a margin 0 auto. Okay, for the width, I'm going to say this is 1000 pixel. Also for the height, I'm going to say 100 pixel, 100%. Sorry. And do the same. Now at this time I said div h1. Let me show you. If I go here, I say nav top div h1. Okay. Now also I can combine this one with nav top div. Okay, let me add this one. Okay. Can paste this one here and div a anchor tag. Can display inline flex. Okay. Also align item should be center. Okay, this one is done. And paste here and div h1. Let me see if no, not yet. Okay, div h1. That's a combination right here. First thing I'm going to say flex b1. I need the font size. Of 24 pixel. Okay. For the padding, the padding should be 0 and the margin should be 0 as well. For the color, said ECF0F6, comma. For the font weight, okay. Next line for the font. Now I said yes, for the font weight it should be normal. Okay, this one is done. Now paste this one here and say, let me say div anchor tag. Let me create a padding 0 and 20 pixel. The text decoration should be none. For the color, the color should be C. This is C5, C5D, C5D to E5. Okay. Also for the font weight, the font should be bold. Okay. This one is done. Next, div protect I. Okay. Create a padding 2 pixel, 8 pixel, 0 and 0. I'll show you why, guys. Okay, if you go back and refresh the page, as you can see, I use all this to make the navigation fit. If I remove, you will see it. Let me do it this way. If I cut this and save it, go back and refresh the page. So let me not this one. Go here and paste everything. Go, yes. If we flex, yes. If I cut this one, these 2 line, or these 3 line, these 3, cut this and save the program and go back to our browser and refresh it. As you can see, we have some space. This space that we have, this is how I make the nav fit. I use nav-top div. The flex play a great, when you display flex, that allows the nav to fit. Okay. Okay, guys, let's continue. Next, we almost done. Okay, for this part. Next, let me go back to index.html. Next class, we're done with nav-top. Now, next class is content. Okay, I'm going to create, make some CSS for this one. Copy and go to style.css and put that because of the class we put that and paste it. Okay. Okay, that content. The first thing with 1000 pixel and create a margin. Okay, create a margin of 0. Margin 0. Now, if save everything, when you go back to index.html again, we have okay. Now we have content, and then we have h2 header 2. Okay. Now we copy this one. Okay. I copy and I paste this one here, and I put h2, and I put a margin or margin 0. Is a padding. The padding should be 20. I put 25 0, and I put the font size. The font size 22 pixel. Also the border button. The border button should be. I put a 1 pixel solid. Okay, this is the color. EB. Okay, this is the color, guys, and I put a color of 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I think we're done with the style.css. We save everything. We click on here and then save all, and we go back to our browser and then refresh the page. Okay, as you can see, we have to center this more. Okay, this is the title, and go back. Okay, now index.html is done. Okay, style.css is done, and now we can go to something else. The first thing I'm going to create, next thing I'm going to create our database. This is very important. Let's go to our browser, and I'm going to call localhost and set a PHP myadmin. I'll create our database. I'm going to call it, the folder is a rating system. We can call it the same name, just one word. Oh no, I'm going to call it advanced. This is advanced. I call it advanced rating. 2 word underscore advanced underscore rating. Okay, and I click here. I click on create. Okay, this is our database called advanced rating, and our for our table I call it reviews. Okay, our table called reviews. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is to create our database. I go here and I click on database. Let me call our database, let me call it advanced underscore rating. Okay, I call it advanced rating. Click on create. Okay, we need number of column. Our table name, I call it review. Our table name reviews. Number of column, we need 6. We got 4, 2 more, 5, 6. And click on go. Okay. Now, the first one is ID, int, length 11, and then primary key. Second is we create our page underscore ID. Okay. Our page ID, int, integer, 11, length. The third one we create, this is name. Name should be varchar 255. Okay. And now let's create content. Content should be text. Okay. Look for text. Okay, that's it. No length, no value. And we this one we call it rating. Rating should be tiny int. This is tiny int right here, guys. The rating should be 1 because we need the customer to add only 1 review. Each should be not to 1. Okay. And the last one, I could submit underscore date. Submit date should be date time. Click here and look for date time. This is date time here, and you click here. And then now, guys, you click on save. Okay. And you click on browse. This is it. ID, page ID, name, content, rating, submit date. Okay. Now let's continue, guys. Now we're done with do create our database and our table. Now let's go back and next file, click on main folder, new file, save as. I'm going to call it reviews.php. Okay, I call it reviews.php and click on save. Okay, reviews.php. Now this is where we are going to do our connection. Let me add. Okay, this is a PHP. Okay, I said PHP. I'll put this a little bit bigger for you guys. Okay, put few things, update the, let me see. Okay, this is connection. Okay. Okay, now it's okay now. The first thing I said, I'm going to say database underscore, this is host, equal single quote, and I call it, this is localhost. Okay. Next, I'll assign database. I can get this one, user equals single quote root semicolon. Next line, set database, set password, pass equals single quote, leave it blank or empty. Next, say database, not password. At the same say name. Database name, single quote. Remember our database name called advanced. Let's check again. This is advanced underscore rating. Okay. This is our database name, and then semicolon. Now I'm going to use a try catch block. Okay. I'm going to say try in case something happen. Okay, but I'm going to use a PDO for security purposes. I say PDO equal new, okay, a new PDO for the connection, single quote. I'm going to say MySQL, okay, host equal, and I'm going to space dot. Now this is where I'm going to call every single thing here. The first one is database host. I can copy this one and paste it here, and I'm going to space, I put a dot, I create a single quote, and after the single quote I put a comma, a semicolon. Now I'm going to say db database name equal, okay, and space dot. I'm going to call a database name. Oops. Copy this one and paste it here. Okay. And I create a space and I say dot. I created a single quote. Okay. Single quote, semicolon. And I'm going to say, okay, this is a char set equal UTF-8. Okay. And after that, I put a comma after that. I put a comma after that. Okay, space. I'm going to say data. Now, let me take the data user. Paste it here. I say data user, comma, space. And now the last one, database password. I paste it here. Okay. This is a semicolon at the end. Okay, let's continue, guys. Almost done for this part. Now, you see, try and create a catch in case something happened in the connection. Also, because I use PDO here, this is why, let me say PDO, okay, I'm going to use PDO exception. PDO exception. And $sign, I say exception. Okay. Now, if, let me say that, if, come on, if there's an error with the connection, we have to stop the script. Okay, stop the script and display the error. Okay, and then we have to exit. Inside of the exit, I'm going to say single quote. The message for the error said failed to connect to database. Okay. And you save everything. Save all. Okay. We'll go back. You refresh. Okay, guys. Now, this is it, guys. This is where I stop for part 1. Advanced rating system in PHP with MySQL database. This is part 1. This is where I stop for part 1. Okay. And let me show you again. This is what we are going to do. This is what we're doing right now. When you click, if I refresh this, not going to see anything. unless you click on the next button, page 2. As you can see, this is first image. This is a page 3, the second, okay, image, and so on. The page 4, nothing. Okay, go back. Okay, if you click on the image, you can see, click on this one and click on this one. This is what we're doing. This is this is where I stop for part 1 on this one, guys. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also, share this tutorial, share the code, share the link, copy, and send it to email, send it to your friend, and everybody, guys. Thank you. Also, if you do not subscribe to my channel, thank you. I really appreciate it if you do that. Don't forget to comment, leave a comment in the comment box below. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.